means our main job that you just make them learn everything, whatever today we have discussed. Now, how to do, what to do, everything is over, but a lot of things there to know, and that thing only can teach us our great, great upline. So I think everybody ready? Now, real climax is going to come. So our great upline, Mr. Sanjay Chandra, I invite him, and he will share lot of things. Just note down or listen carefully, whatever the important things. Note down
Before
carefully.
ma'am, before సార్ రాకముందు ఎవరైనా చెప్పాలనుకుంటే ఇంట్రడ్యూస్ చేయాలనుకుంటే చెప్పండి. The last talk will be the SARS talk. Our mentor, our leader, our great server. So if anyone you want to talk, anyone want to ask anything, you can ask. After Chandra sir talk, meeting is over. Okay. So raise your hand if anyone want to talk. So let us welcome our great mentor, Chandra sir. It is our pleasure.
Okay, good evening to each one of you. It is one of the best PACE meeting I am seeing now. So that means every day it should be the best. Every PACE meeting, next PACE meeting will be much best. But what is today should be the best. That is the life. In life also we should have that same thing. Each day is a God-gifted day to all of us. So each day is the best for some purpose. Like what we are doing, we are moving for some purpose. Otherwise, at this age, having everything so-called materialistic, still I am running for a dream. Can you imagine? If dream is not there, I would not exist in this earth. There is no meaning. Purpose is not there means there is no meaning. So you all are working for the purpose. I can tell you all small dreams, all small goals will be fulfilled. Because this opportunity can give such a thing. I think many people, they have yesterday's, Saturday's meeting, they have attended. Some people, they have attended today's meeting. You have understood that how much money is there. More than 1 crore in a year, you can make money more than that. Can you imagine? Today, when I have started the business, I have started for just 10,000 rupees. Today, you are starting, you are also thinking for 5 to 10,000 rupees. And that should be the things. That is the first thing. In life, first you should get, see, when I started my business, I just got maybe 140 or 139 rupees, my first check. There also I got happy because I understood that this business is now giving me money. So I had that belief. The belief what I was having unseen, unbelievable, that it will work, it will not work and all. There also I started generating some money, which was not, there was no option. And now thing is totally different. So for everybody's thing is going to happen. Believe me, everybody has passed through all the things what you are passing through. Many things happen. Many people will say it will not work. Some people will say, अरे ये business तो है ही नहीं, कहाँ से तुम लेकर आए, तो 2 दिन करके भाग जाएगा. So many things. Your answer, if you can give, and that is your self-image. Self-image means self-knowledge. If you know what is Amway is all about, if you attended few meetings like this, what you have already attended and all, and if somebody wants to attend, I can send a YouTube link also, what Devasis has given and what today's Swasis has given and what tomorrow's Swasis is going to give. The amount of opportunity lying behind it, it is unbelievable. But you have to start with some realistic goal. So today you should not think if you get 1 crore after say 3 or 5 years or 6 years or 10 years later, that time you can increase, you can enhance your dream. But today your necessity should be your dream. What you need today. Maybe somebody will be happy if he can give his son 1 multivitamin. That should be your dream. Your boy should have that. We all are made, our children are undernourished. If that is the dream, that is also best emotional dream, I can tell you. If somebody may think that I want to have change my mobile because mobile is very necessary nowadays, and it is true. Mobile should be very necessary. You can change your mobile. That also you can have a goal. Small goal. If somebody may think these are the very small peltry things, because people here, some people, they have started their career and they're getting already maybe lakhs or 2 lakhs rupees package or 3 lakhs rupees package. I know people are there. In this call also people are there. So for them, maybe 5,000, you're thinking it is a less. It is more, much more. Because whatever money you are getting, please think that means that is nothing but keeping in the fixed deposit. If you keep some money in the fixed deposit, money, you are going to get the money. And that is the money you are not working for. Now the money started working for that. And your each earning is that. You're creating the asset of the people. How our earning is increasing. Rohit is going, I mean, just imagine, see people, today my upline in the big meeting, he told our team, he is so excited about our team because your team is just in full momentum, I can tell you. That in June, his earning was just 6,000 to 7,000 rupees. I'm telling you, I'm now giving the name. And in August, he got how much? August, no, sorry.
July.
In the July month end result, we are getting the first August or second, third, fourth August, we are getting the check. He got just in 1 year, he got 24 plus. Just imagine. So it is possible. He made it possible. See, there are opportunities lying. When I'm telling 1 crore people, it is just thinking, it is out of their imagination. All are same thing today. Some person has asked the same thing. अरे ये कहाँ से होता है? आप कुछ realistic दिखाओ. आप जहां तक सोच सकते up to what level you can think of, your imagination can grow. You can do your things. This is the opportunities there along with your power, I can tell you. You have to develop, you have to increase your self-image by keeping knowledge, nothing else. And now, advantage in our team, the day you start, that day onwards, you are having packed with information because we will give all the things, whatever they have shown you. And you can just send the YouTube link to your person. The way I will suggest you also, we'll have something, and automatically things will move. We have, if some people are more interested, having better by IT background, they can do slightly more easy thing for them because they are scarcity of time. So they can use the Google form like what he has started. One form he has just shown you, that list building. It is nothing but you are writing a list of people. If you cannot do, you write the paper. Absolutely no problem. We have started with that only. Then if you improve your knowledge, learn the Excel sheet right there. And that Excel sheet, you don't need to create. That Excel sheet will be given by your upline. And there is the option is there, share. Just click that. You don't need to do anything. Automatically, it will go to your upline like that. So everybody is having access. They can counsel you back that, yes, you have not approached this person, you can touch this person. This is how you should go all about. That is the advantage. Or if you are busy, your upline can do. And that also, if you are little more updated, we have the system, we have the infrastructure, we have the knowledge, and with that you can just send through WhatsApp form, what you can invite them for this meeting. Again, you send the link as per his invitation. Then again, he will give the feedback. All the things can be done. But for that, the people who are interested, I will teach them one-to-one, and they can teach to their team. Because this is not the group. Facilities are there, and you must learn that. Because you have to build a huge business. I will tell you just a glimpses. Most important thing in your life or anywhere, first have this dream. Your first five dreams. What you need now. Say, for example, within 6 months, what you will get, what you want. By 12 months, what you want. By 2 years, what you want. That 3 goals, dream, that is called dream. That you dream, write down. And then see you to apply. He will make you a tailor-made game plan for you. I will just give you an example that even if you do this a small thing, which many teams, they are not following, they are doing much ahead. So you will go much faster. But I'm thinking at least if you follow this also, in 1 year, how can you generate 40,000 rupees, what we are showing in the business plan? And not only that, by 2 years, by one year, that means by 2 years, you are platinum, maybe you are qualifying as an emerald. You have started your career as an emerald. And what is the earning of that? See, if you just complete 40,000 rupees 1 year, That is called bronze. You'll be recognized, beautiful way. Digital recognition is there. Amway digitalized things is there. So many things are there. You can show your prospect that we are growing, but because until they see you, how they can duplicate you. So all this thing is there. So our main purpose is to just follow a small dream, small goal, small one dream, how to go about that. So 1 year game plan. I want that each one of you, whoever is present here at present now, because many people have left it now, it is only 24 people. That's what happened. Cream will stay because other may have some big work. But for me and for 24 people, you have the much big work here because this is going to take you to some career growth. All your dreams will be fulfilled. These are the opportunity to learn at free of cost from the people who have done it and who are doing it. So learn sincerely. It is for you, you should learn, not for even your downline. You learn for yourself because if you are expert, automatically things will be duplicated. So first, your goal, your dreams should you write down for 5 dreams, share with your upline. Then you break down along with your upline to small need every month. What is your goal? What is your action plan? What should be your effectiveness? See, I'm running around, but result is not coming. Then after some times, you will say that itna time de raha hai, lekin kuch hota nahi. Nothing will happen. And then slowly you quit. So today only somebody has sent the beautiful message that opposite of success is what? 90% people will say failure, but no. Opposite of success is quitting. If you don't quit, you will succeed in your life. We quit, we change one thing, we go to another thing. We change another thing, we are not focused. We are not focused. So now fixed your goal, that is topmost thing, and sit down with your upline. He will make the goal as per that. But today I will just give a glimpses of that, how it happens in 1 year. If you make only this goal, if you say new person like Pawan and all, new person they have joined. If they did this little work, what they will do much more than that. I know, because they have the capability and they have the vast list. Now the total global list is there with them, the Facebook and other things, Instagram and all. Huge list is there. So I will share one scheme how to make the dreams and goals. Okay, it is visible, no?
Yes, sir. Yeah, sir.
थोड़ा नेट का प्रॉब्लम हो रहा लग रहा. Not responding. Okay, for the benefit of the totally new people, I am telling what is the meaning of width. See, whomever we have sponsoring directly with me, for example, say Gopal, sorry, Rohit is there. Rohit upline is somebody, his upline is somebody, his upline is somebody, his upline is somebody, like that. There are maybe 3 or 4 layers. After that, I am there. So for me, Rohit is in my depth. That means because I dig the depth, I got a leader like Rohit. So but with this who? He's topmost upline, that is Gopal Rao. So he is his upline. Now, like that, I have sponsored few people. Actually, Gopal is also not directly under me. Before that, also Mr. Sarma is there. Sarma, then Gopal, then so many people, then Rohit. So they are called my width. This Sarma is my width. Like that, Ram Gopal is my width. Depth, there are so many platinums are there in the depth. So that is the difference between this is width and this is called depth. So always remember there should be a combination, and those things your upline will suggest you how to go about your things. So he can see every day your structure, and you can counsel each and every day where you should give your concentration, because both are important. They say width is important as well as these are called depth. They are called depth of yours. So they are in the depth level. So all the depth also should be focused, and width also should be focused. But it should be balanced. Not only width, not only depth. Know where profitability is there. Now, what are the income things? You all know that we all are earning in so many stages. Here I have given few stages. There are so many stages which today, just today also we have discussed, and yesterday also we discussed so many. Those things you don't, you should know, but it is not necessary presently you. Presently for you, these 5 things are very important. That is retail discount, that is retail profit. What is retail profit? The DAP price, what you are getting. The DAP price is slightly more than MRP, around 10% more minus tax. So that is called retail profit. But any ADR will get a DAP price. You are also getting a DAP. So retail profit maybe we very few people will earn, because we are more focusing on customer. Because from customer nowadays we got another things I have forgotten to write here. That is CSI, customer sales incentive. That means if you sell to customer, you will be getting this 10% plus customer selling 10%. That means any product after becoming an ADR, you will get 10% plus 10% plus this trade discount. So total almost 17 to 18% you are going to get if you sell any product to any person. This is the huge benefit now, even for the people who are at 0%. Previously, they used to get only trade discount. Now, there are so many things, new things are added. Almost 10% extra we have added. That is the opportunity now lying in the new plan. 10%, huge money. Then another added thing is BFI. That's 9% and above with some structure things. Because until you are having a structure, it is you are not profitable. So Amway is also honoring you. Amway is also encouraging you, and for that they are given another commission, extra commission, which was not there. That is Bronze Foundation incentive, 15% on your whatever total personal commission is there. What is personal commission? Your sales commission, whatever we are given, that is 3 to 21%. 3 to 21% sales commission, which is whatever business you have done, those things already in the plan, you know. From there, you will get from 3 to 21%. That's 200 PV to 10,000 PV. You will get 3 to 21% personal commission. And on that commission, you will get 15% extra if you have become a 9% with 3 legs of 3%. And you get 20% extra as an BBI, Bronze Builder Incentive, when you are at 15% with 3 legs at 6%. So structure you are improving, volume you are increasing, and you are getting another 35% on your personal commission. See how much money is increasing. You cannot imagine. Those in the plan, if you see properly, I will send you the link of the one good plan And you can just go through once more, you will understand. Then there are so many other benefits. I'm not going to explain anything today. That is enhanced sales commission. That is, if your volume is more than 20,000, then you will get 2% extra. Then leadership bonus, like for below me, if my platinum is there, from there, their volume, I'll get 6% extra. That is leadership development commission. Like that, there are group development commission. There are so many things are there. So lot of money is there. Even in this small level, up to 21%. Then there are big things. Why I'm telling this, not a small 1 year. Just I said now, for example, a new person has joined. He's very new. What should be his first job? As soon as you join, your first 3 months, you should concentrate on the work to learn. Because until unless you do learn, then only you are you can teach. So first you need to do the things. What you need to do? First, if all the 3 months, say for example, next financial year I made September, October, November, this month you experience all the things. You reach to a level so that I will fit you somewhere else, not in the starting. So you should start. Say, for example, a new person, very novice, he has just used his product for experience, and 1 or 2 products showcasing he has organized with the help of his upline. With the help of his upline, he created the list, and with his help, upline help, he will invite them for the product showcasing. If some people they attended, some product they will also buy. And now product demand is so much. If you just talk about this immunity products, your business is done. So if from there also 50 PB, that means total 10,000 rupees business, 5,000 yours. You are at how much? All 10%, 100 PB, and you will get a good earning. Around 1080 rupees, you will get 1,000. That is something you got, not like ours time. Not like ours, because here you are getting customer sales incentive and all the things, trade discount, all put together, you got this much of money. But in our time, we used to get 140 rupees. See, enhance how the income has grown now, presently. Old people just forget about the old business. New, this is 100% profitable things. October, another 50 PB. Just you increase some more customer, little more customer, because now you're talking to more people. So many people, old people are also there. Like that, so many product showcasing, you generated a customer range of 10 to 15, and you are able to do a business, comfortable business, permanent business of 200 PB. That is your done deal earning of around 3,000 rupees. You are a 3%, much that time onwards, brand new 3%, you are recognized, you are now ready to take charge. So next month onwards, you start sponsoring 1%. Like that, just I have given here, figure here, every month. See, in the December, you reach to 300 PB, only little increment, but it is not going to happen. I know some people are doubling 4 times they are doing, but even if you do this a small space, because all customers, you have but anyway, this is also not bad, because you are learning in the process right things, and you are teaching your team also to write things. So they are also duplicating in the same fashion. You just observe in the first month, you sponsor 1, and you say he is also doing 100 PB like you, because whatever you are done, you are just telling them, and you are confident because already you have done 200 PB. So you know how to do 100 PB. You teach him and let him duplicate. If he duplicates, you are generating another 100 PB from him. So your group volume is becoming 300 PB. Your earning also increase accordingly, and your earning is 2920. And that gentleman is also earning around 1080. Beautiful. Same thing, duplicate. Next month, you sponsor another person out of your customers. So many customers already you had. Now they're satisfied customer. You just convert them to ADR to make money also, make their products free also. So like that, you got another person, and he also doing the 100p business. That is 10,000 rupees. And you, that the other person, the first person, first leg of yours, he has also sponsored one more person. Like that, every month your things are increasing in the same fashion. So next month 6%, next month another 6. Then by April, you are brand new 9% BFI earner. Big recognition, big money. 10,000 plus you are going to earn in this structure. Then next month onwards, I have stopped your sponsoring. Just after 4 months, I stop your sponsoring. But why should you stop? You keep on increasing. Your weight should be at least 9 active. 9 active leg means at least 3% and above. So that type of structure you are supposed to create. But here, for your easiness, maybe some people will come, some people will quit. All the things is going to happen. So total in a very slow pace. Also by May, June, and say how they increasing. In the month of May, your earning has your earning was 10,000, but in the month of June, you have reached to 18,000 because you reach a pin called 12%, which I was talking just now, Mr. Rohit. 18,000. This is the minimum income you have shown, but people have earned more than that. Just now I told 18,000. So it should be more. You can get more. Lot of money is there in the Amway business. Make more. Amway is not stopping you. In the month of July, almost same thing, but the jump you see. In the next month, 1 month, it is double. 40,000, 15%, BBI, big things. And by seeing your momentum in the business, like now, any person who is having a momentum, like your total team, each leaders is having the momentum now, each people. So in the momentum, anybody comes now, automatically he also has to grow. There is no other alternative because the momentum will take him up. That is the benefit. So now the momentum is there. BBI you get. So see, now here also some people will say that, hey, it's a hota hai ka. ऐसा होता है, आपका सामने एग्जाम्पल है, इससे ज्यादा होता है. Question is how much you believe it and how much you put into it, how much priority you give for the business, not time. I never say time. Priority means any time. Like every day evening, afternoon, after lunch, I sleep for at least 1 hour because in the morning 5 o'clock before I get up. So that is my habit. Now I made it. I want to live my life comfortable. Now, today, I sacrifice that. I'm not done it because today I have a meeting. That is little change of priority. Little change, small things here and there, something somewhere you have to adjust. But today I cannot do because हमारा hospital जाना है और हमको कुछ. It appears 100% you should go. Your upline cannot say you are not supposed to go. Never, you have plan. If you have an important meeting, if you feel that is very important, then automatically you will get the ways and means, and God will not give you any that type of challenge. I can bet. If you are serious, God is going to keep you all the universe ready for you because you are doing His work. He has not made you in this world, in this universe, just for living your life like a small family man. Your family will be big enough. See, now, whenever I see my family, I always feel that is the purpose we have started our business. We have a big family, all youngsters. So I will never become old. I am always young. हमारा इधर खोलेंगे तो आप देखेंगे कि I am still young, much young than many young people. Young people, they are becoming old because they don't have purpose of life. If your purpose of life is only your family, I can tell you, we are building the business for the family, but we are actually cheating our family. What you can give them, what you can give to this universe, if you are just keeping it yourself in your limitation, you are not doing great service to even to your family. We are doing 100%. Because at least we are spreading some happiness to the family, and that family is not my family only, it is our family. You all are in my family. These are the terrible things you will get from this business, my dear. एक छोटा सा झलका देके now अभी close करेंगे because time बहुत हो गया. And जिसको भी कुछ ज़्यादा जानना है, हम in 1-to-1 आपका Google form के बारे में, I can talk to the people who are interested 1-to-1. Please, they can call me and they want to learn. Please share with me. Any person, any depth, anywhere, I am ready. Okay. I am searching for the right kind of person. Now, एक देखिए क्या है, एक छोटा झलक. हम जो बोला था वहाँ, I have shown you that after 4 months I stopped sponsoring. Here I am not stopping. I keep on doing it. I'm expanding because I'm telling one person, people are sponsoring. I am telling that in 3 months you are reaching 2%. You have seen yourself that all the people who are joined in the first month itself 200 PV. So you start your target from the 200 PV. You forget about the old things, and then start the things. But you should know in the 3 months what I should have done, because maybe this month lot of help you got from your upline, because you have not acquired the knowledge, but you have started working. That's fantastic, I can tell you. Fantastic. Your upline will be happy to do that. And in digital format, we all are happy. I'm telling you, everybody I can interact one-to-one. I have the time now because of this digital platform. Now, say for example, this man, in the process of that, he created 9 lakes. After 15 months, the scenario is, say in the first lake around 6,400 something like that, up to 9 months. 9 months is 3%. That means 15%, 15%, 12%, 9%, 9%, 6%, 6%, 3%, 3%. This is the structure he made. 15 months. Do you think it is a very big thing? Yes, it is very, very big thing for some people. They cannot imagine. They think it is not possible. Some people are thinking, hum bana ke chhodenge. If you can make it, that have to do the attitude. Because if you understand what is the treasure is there, if you value that, if you know that with this treasure, what I can make, by 15 months, your earning will be, monthly earning I'm talking about, is 2,26,878 monthly income. Next month, it will not drop. Automatically, he will go to Emerald within next year. Emerald means he's earning where it will be. If you are at even at what level, I don't think he is even. एक भी platinum नहीं है. Not a single platinum is there. Just his volume is 20,000 Ruby volume. And full structure is ready now. Even if he stop working, just counsel with them over a phone. His job is done. Monthly, it will just keep on increasing proportionately to 2,26,000. So much beyond in monthly earning. And after that, there are so many more income. PGGI, your personal growth. Every year, if you maintain some pin, like it is only from platinum and above, some pin platinum, and then next month also you kept same platinum, next year also, so you will be getting some commission. If you are your front line, say my downline some platinum, I break another platinum, I'll get another commission of FGGI. These are all yearly commission. Then emerald people, they will get emerald bonus, another yearly bonus, diamond bonus. Diamond people will get diamond plus emerald both. Then FAA points, this is for EDC and above. Then big things. Forget about all the things. That is the reason I told more than crores is you can get in this business. Still, some people are thinking, ये business बहुत छोटा है, ये हमारे लायक नहीं है. तो आप उस टाइम में जो आपको मजाक करेगा, क्या कंपनी, क्या बिजनेस कर रहे हो, सब उनका बिजनेस कर रहे हो, पागल हो गया तुम, इतना टाइम दे रहे हो, सो मेनी थिंग्स. आपको गुस्सा आएगा या उसके ऊपर सिंपैथी आएगा, आपको हंसी आएगा. That should be your self-image. Strong self-image means when you understand. Today you have understood, and today onwards you make your game plan ready by sitting with your upline. Not tomorrow also. The person, if you take time for your upline immediately and take the counseling, I can tell you they are the now guys, and we are looking for them. Thank you very much. And since my what is that called, host is not here now, because he doesn't want to listen to me, because he has.
I'm here, sir. Let's go. I'm
No,
the
no.
next course.
No, she has gone to prepare tea, I think, for me only.
Madam.
So, Madam has gone for making tea for me only. So let me close it. I don't want to now make more time, because already it is 7+. So thank you very much for the lot of patience, and I hope your business will grow much, much bigger than my expectation. Thank you very much and wish you all the best.
Thank you very much, sir.
Any new persons? Late joins.
Okay, Chari, let's close
Okay, sir.
because already 2 hours more ho gaya.
Okay, sir. You can end the meeting, sir. Thank you very much.